Alright, today's mission, strip it all down. I've got old cabinets to remove, insulation on the wall to tear out, and I've got an attic to check. I don't know what I'm gonna find out there. And finally, to get rid of all the junk left behind. Let's get started. And it's finally time to remove the insulation on the wall. It has definitely seen better days, but just so you know, the main purpose was not to insulate the space. I think it was meant for protecting the doors, you know, the car doors when you open the door. I'm excited to see how the space is gonna look for the first time without these insulations on the wall. Time to remove these really old cabinets, but there is two options now. I either go the smooth way, removing screw by screw and trying to, you know, do it slowly and carefully, or I use this and I make a mess. I think I prefer the mess option.